Hello friends. So today I'll let you know about the certificate of fitness in the appellate jurisdiction of the Honorable Supreme Court of India. Whenever there is substantial amount of question of law that has arisen which has to be adjudicated only by the Honorable Supreme Court of India, then the Honorable High Courts will issue a certificate of fitness under Article 132 to 135. So therefore you can collect that certificate of fitness, and within 2 months you can file an appeal. Directly a civil appeal or a criminal appeal can be filed in the appellate jurisdiction, that is directly in the Supreme Court of India. And the Honorable Supreme Court will hear your case. Otherwise, if you do not get a certificate of fitness, then you have to take the route of the Article 136, that is special leave petition, which is the biggest hurdle and the toughest litigation in the country. Because in order to get your civil or criminal appeal numbered, you have to go through the Article 136 via special leave petition. It is not your right to get heard in the Honorable Supreme Court. It is the discretion of the Honorable Supreme Court whether to grant a leave to you so that your SLP will be converted either into a civil appeal or a criminal appeal. So if you are thinking that you have a right to be heard in the Honorable Supreme Court of India in the appellate jurisdiction, you are thoroughly mistaken. It's very difficult. The SLP is the toughest litigation in the country. Now coming back, who are the people who will get affected the most? The people who got convicted or who are in the death row or a life sentence row, now they have already been meted out or handed over conviction with a life sentence or a death sentence in the Court of Sessions, and the same has to be confirmed by the High Courts, and the same has already been done by the High Courts. Now they want to go to the Supreme Court, and the chances of getting their appeal admitted are very bleak, very less. Only if the High Court has done some grave errors, if there is error apparent on face of the record, or if the High Courts are issuing certificate of fitness, then only you have a chance, you stand a chance. Otherwise there is no chance. If you go through the SLP route, there are 1 in 10,000 SLPs that get dismissed day in and day out in the Honorable Supreme Court of India. So lakhs of petitions are being challenged which emanate from the orders of the High Courts, and ultimately they get dismissed at the admission stage itself. Even after notice, it's very difficult to get admitted. So thank you friends, this is all about the certificate of fitness. Thank you.